welcome back to HIKVISION Automation. Today we are having a brand new video on how to configure a new HIKVISION IP camera. So there are several ways to do it, and one of the ways is to do it with the Internet Explorer. So initially all cameras will come with the default IP of 192.168.1.64. This is the default IP for all HIKVISION IP based devices. So initially, as this is a new camera, we don't have any kind of password, so I'm just closing it. So today we are going to see a tool called as SADP. So I'm just opening it now, and you can see that there is a camera at the same address as I said at 1.64, and it is notified as inactive. And now I select it, and I'm just going to enter a new password for that particular device to activate it. So I'm just giving a password. It should be a mixture of alphabets as well as numbers. So I'm just giving next, and I'm just going to refresh it. So once I refresh, you can see now my camera is active. So now I'm again going into the Internet Explorer, and I'm just going to open my camera again at 1.64. I can actually, so just giving my username admin and my password. So it just gets opened automatically. And the advantages of using an IP camera is that inside an IP camera there's an entire operating system running. You can see the footage, you can record it on its own memory card, you can have its own internet settings, you can have its own network settings and everything like IP, DDNS and everything. So that is one of the main advantages of using HIKVISION devices. And as you can see, there are multiple options to do all these things, and there is one user configured as of now. And there are many settings like motion detection, VCA and everything that is inbuilt into this camera. Now let's see what other things that can be changed from the SADP tool. So again coming to the SADP tool, and I'm just going to change the IP for as of now. So now as all devices come with the same IP, I'm just going to change the IP to another number. Like now from 64 to I'm just going to change it to 75. And if I give next, it will ask for the password. So I'm just going to enter my password. So once my password is entered, I'm going to give next, and that's successfully changed. Now if I go to my page again, and if I hit refresh, nothing will happen. The reason is the IP has already got changed. So now if I change my IP to 192.168.1.75, the same camera's page is open again. So again, I'm just going to give my user ID and password, and I'm just going to get my screen. So the same configuration, everything can be changed. So this is one of the main advantages of using an IP based system. And this SADP tool can be used not only for IP cameras but all IP devices in the HIKVISION family. Like even in my list, I have my 4-channel NVR, I have an 8-channel DVR, and I have another bullet IP cam running at 1.74, and the new camera that I have just configured. So this is the main advantage of using an IP based system in HIKVISION, and you can also change the HTTP ports, server ports, a host of things right from the SADP tool. So this is a configuration tool that can be used for configuring a multitude of devices. Like if you want to configure a range of devices like 20 devices or 30 devices, this will be very useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.